In late 2017, many phones launched a dual camera setup which can capture the portrait mode, and Mi1 is one of them. Before starting the actual video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and help me to reach our goal of 500 subscribers. So let's get started. So let's start with the quick unboxing. Here we get paperwork, SIM ejector pin, handset, 5V 2A charger and the USB Type-C cable. Now talking about the physical overview, at the front we get 3 touch capacitive buttons with 5.5-inch Full HD display and the 5MP front facing camera. At the back we get Xiaomi branding with 12+12MP dual camera and dual tone LED flash, and also the fingerprint scanner at the center. The device is powered with 3080 mAh battery with the Snapdragon 625 octa-core processor. At the right side we get the volume rockers along with the power button. Nothing else is there on right side. At the left side we get the hybrid SIM tray. Moving to the top we get IR cluster and the secondary microphone. At the bottom we get speaker grills, USB Type-C port and yes, the 3.5mm audio jack. Talking about the fingerprint scanner, you can see it is much faster than you can imagine. As soon as I touch my finger, it unlocks the phone quickly. As you might know that this is Xiaomi's first Android phone which has the stock Android UI. Out of the box you get the Android Nougat 7.1 installed, and the Oreo update has already started rolling out. If you want the EMI phone with stock Android experience, this is the phone you should get it now. All the links are given in description, you can buy it from there. This is the 4+64GB variant. Out of 64GB, 10GB is used by system and 54GB is available. Talking about the main feature of this phone, that is dual camera. The camera quality is very good. You can capture the portrait mode photos from the back camera but not with the front camera. Here are some samples taken with this phone. As you can see, it intelligently blurs the background when using the portrait mode. So finally we can say that it is the best budget phone with the dual camera setup. You can definitely go for it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like this video, share it and subscribe my channel for more awesome videos. My name is Tushar and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, be happy and do something constructive.